students, good morning. Today we are going to discuss one problem in Z transform. Last class we have discussed about initial and final value theorem. Today our problem is we are going to solve y of n plus 2 plus 4 into y of n plus 1 plus 3 into y of n is equal to 2 power n. So this is nothing but our difference equation. Now we are going to solve this difference equation so using Z transform. First I am going to write the basic formula of Z transform. So solution, so z of y of n, this can be written as f of z, and z of yn plus 1, this can be written as z into f of z minus z into y of 0. These are all basic formulas. So z of yn plus 2 is replaced by z square into f of z minus z square into y of 0 minus z into y of 1. So these are all formulas. First I am going to take z transform on both sides. So taking z on both sides, z of yn plus 2. 4 is a constant term, so take outside. So 4 into z of yn plus 1. Next 3 is a constant term, so take outside. 3 into z of y of n is equal to z of 2 power n. Now I am going to replace these three terms by this right hand side. So this is replaced by z square into f of z minus z square into y of 0 minus z into y of 1 plus 4 into, so z of yn plus 1 is replaced by these two terms. So z into f of z minus z into y of 0 plus, so 3 into z of y of n is replaced by f of z. Therefore 3 into f of z. Look at your right hand side. So z of a power n. So what is the formula for a power n? So z of a power n is nothing but z by z minus a. So instead of a here we are having 2. Therefore z by z minus 2. Next I am going to apply these two initial conditions. So replace y of 0 by 0 and y of 1 by 0. Therefore z square into f of z. So next answer is 0. Z of y of n also 0 plus 4 z into f of z. So remaining term 0. Then 3 into f of z is equal to z by z minus 2. Now simplify this term. So here f of z is common. So take outside f of z into, so first z square plus 4z plus 3. So your right answer is z by z minus 2. Okay. So this is quadratic equation. So f of z by z minus 2 into, so what is 3? So 1 3s are 3. So 4. Therefore z minus 1 into z minus 3. So these are all factors. Now f of z by z is equal to 1 by z minus 2 into z minus 1 into z minus z by z equal to 1 by z minus 2 into z plus 1 into z plus 3. Here we are having three factors. Therefore using your partial fraction, this can be written as a by z minus 2 plus b by z plus 1 plus c by z plus 3. Now we are going to calculate the constant value a and b and c. So using partial fraction method. So your left hand side is 1. So a into z plus 1 into z plus 3 plus b into z minus 2 into z plus 3 plus c into z minus 2 into z plus 1. Next I am going to assign the value for z. So first take z equal to minus 1, z equal to minus 1, therefore 1 equal to, this answer is 0, plus b into minus 1, minus 2, minus 1 plus 3, c becomes 0, what is the value for p? P is equal to p into minus 3 is 2, p 2 are 6, therefore minus 6p, b is minus 1 by 6. Next, what is your z value? Put z equal to plus 2. Left side same one, so a value a into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 3, so b becomes 0, the c also 0. So what is the value for a? 1 is equal to a into 3, 2 plus 3, 5. So 1 is equal to 15a, so a is equal to 1 by 15. Next I am going to calculate the value for c. So assume z equal to, so what is z equal to minus 3. So what is the answer? 1 is equal to, so a into 0 plus b also 0 plus c into minus 3 minus 2 and minus 3 plus 1. That 1 equal to c into minus 5 into minus 2, 5 to 10, so 1 equal to 10c, therefore c is equal to 1 by 10. Now I am going to replace a, b and c value. So this is our final step. So what is the a value? So a value is 1 by 15 and b is minus 1 by 6 and c is 1 by 10. Now taking z inverse on both sides. So what is your f of z? So f of z equal to 1 by 15 into, so taking z inverse, okay, z inverse of z by z minus 2 minus 1 by 6 into z inverse of z by z plus 1 plus 1 by 10 into z inverse of z by z plus 3. So using z transform formula, so this makes my solution. So 1 by 15 into 2 power n minus 1 by 6 into minus 1 power n plus 1 by 10 into